Hi friends, welcome to AukSun Consultants, where we help you settling abroad. If you're planning to relocate abroad, you're in the right place. Whether it's for work, study or living abroad, we've got you covered. At AukSun Consultants Ltd, we draw on our own personal experiences to provide expert guidance supported by years of expertise and a dedicated team. Our goal is to provide good, innovative and unique solutions that benefit the common man, contentedly and perpetually. AukSun Consultants combines AI, IT and automation to produce standardized immigration solutions that are affordable and high value for our clients. AukSun offers two fantastic programs tailored to fit different needs, the AukSun Assisted Program and the Do-It-Yourself DIY program. Each program is designed to cater to different levels of support and budget. Let's compare them both so you can choose the perfect one for you. Understanding the differences will help you make an informed decision. First up, the AukSun Assisted Program. This program is ideal for those who want comprehensive assisted support and personalized guidance. In this, you'll have a dedicated portfolio manager who will be with you every step of the way. Imagine having a dedicated portfolio manager by your side, offering customized guidance tailored to your specific needs. They will help you through the complexities of filling forms, gathering documents, and filing applications for moving abroad. Whether it's understanding visa applications, finding housing, or getting job placements, your portfolio manager has got your back. They're experts in their field and will ensure you have all the information you need. It's like having a friend who knows everything about settling abroad. They will be your go-to person for any questions or concerns. Now, if you are someone who is efficient and more independent, the AukSun Do-It-Yourself program is for you. The DIY program is perfect for computer-literate, smart people who like to take control. The DIY program offers a self-paced, affordable, all-online solution. You can work through the process at your own speed using our step-by-step, comprehensive digital resources. You get access to our comprehensive digital resources and guides, complete with step-by-step instructions and web links. These resources are designed to be user-friendly and easy to follow. And don't worry, you'll still have support via email or WhatsApp for any questions or concerns. Our team is always ready to assist you, even if you're taking the DIY route. Plus, with flexible payment options, it fits right into your budget. You can choose a payment plan that works best for you, making it easier to manage your finances. Both programs are crafted with the same premium quality. Our team of advisors has developed these programs based on their own first-hand experience of successfully completing the process, hence providing authentic and actionable advice. The AukSun Assisted Program provides personalized guidance with a portfolio manager, while the DIY program offers a more affordable, self-paced digital solution. Both are excellent choices depending on your needs. So, whether you need a helping hand or prefer to take the reins yourself, AukSun Consultants Ltd has got you covered. Our goal is to make your transition as smooth as possible. Take the first step towards your new adventure today. Start planning and let us help you make it happen. Celebrate life and make your plans come true with AukSun. Thanks for tuning in. We hope this information helps you make the best choice for your journey. Stay connected with us for more valuable insights. Until then, happy planning and bon voyage.